on location today in baby Eloise's beautiful nursery. So as you already know, we just did this addition onto our house, and we're gonna need a little extra heating and cooling. So for the heating, we did some baseboards, and for the cooling, the company Midea has offered to sponsor this video. I'm gonna show you the unit that they sent us and how to install it and all the awesome features. So I just did the unboxing, and Iris is super stoked to get this thing set up. But from just the parts that they sent, it looks like it's gonna be a super easy installation. Probably the first thing that I noticed was this awesome U-shaped design, so the window can go all the way down. If you're like me and you had a window unit when you were growing up, the window used to have to sit like on the top of the air conditioning unit, and you have this big gap in the window and your unit. So I'm glad that Midea stepped up to the design. It's pretty awesome. Installation has begun. So far, so good. Simple, easy design, easy installation. It's pretty neat because, so you put it into your frame, and these adjust with this little push button, and then these supports adjust just by taking this out, and this will slide without falling out. Nice and even. So I measured right here, and I'm going to cut these so that they fit, so that we won't get any air leakage. I think one of my favorite features is just how secure it feels. It definitely isn't going to fall out, which is really important around here. So I couldn't wait till I was done with installation to turn this bad boy on. It is so quiet. It's unbelievable. Awesome. So another awesome feature is that you can actually still use your window. So the window's free to open even when the unit's in the window. So you could use the awesome remote that it comes with, or you can download the app and use your cell phone as a remote. Awesome. So the amount of features that this air conditioner has is ridiculous. It can obviously cool. It can dry your room, or basically act as a dehumidifier, or it can just be a fan. And it has like these eco modes to really, boost your energy savings. And overall, with standard regular usage, it's estimated that this will only cost about $58 to run for the entire year. So that's great. I remember being a kid, my parents would be like, "Did you turn off the air conditioning? It's expensive." This unit will have no problem cooling a 300 square foot room. Our room is only 144 square foot, so it's gonna be cold in here. It's gonna feel great. So not only can you control it with your smartphone, but it'll also pair to either Google or Alexa, so you can control it with your voice. Follow the link below, head on over to their website, get one ordered. You're not gonna regret it. I can't believe how quiet it is. It's amazing. And how easy the installation was. Awesome. I actually might get another one for the garage.